How you show up as a manager or as a boss, as a CEO, to hold others accountable for performance will dictate their future performance. You want them to leave that conversation energized and excited to put forth extra effort. You don't want them leaving that conversation with you discouraged and heading for home earlier that day. Holding other people accountable because of poor performance can be a very uncomfortable experience. But when there's poor performance and there needs to be a change, how do you hold them accountable without using some sort of negative reinforcement? Because that's short term and ultimately it won't build the company culture or the employee that you want. So, how do you hold people accountable? When you see that performance has slipped in some way, maybe you're not hitting the metrics for the department, not generating enough revenue, not getting projects or products out on time, or retention is terrible. Whatever the issue is, it's an opportunity to re-engage in conversation, to renegotiate the milestones, to change the baseline. Maybe the performance issue has nothing to do with them, but the environment. And in that case, you can reinforce that they're doing the right stuff and they just need to keep going. We want to put them into a positive frame of mind. We know that they already know performance is an issue. They don't need you to also threaten them with poor bonus or loss of job or anything like that. You're wanting to bring about greater performance in the future. So we need to identify what the actual issue is. If it is about their behavior, be specific about that. If there's something you want to see change, show them, here's where your behavior is now. This is what I'm seeing, and call out specific examples. And here's what great looks like. This is the change I want to see in you. We use a tool called the behavioral anchored rating scale for something like that. So identify their current behavior, what you would like to see different, and show them that positive, that delta.